Hi, good morning, Sat Shri Akal, and my name is Ashley Correen and I am Fitness Bhangra instructor. Through my profession आपको जानने में पता लगा होगा कि मैं फिटनेस में हूँ, so injuries लाजमी हैं. I got my ACL injury 3-4 months back and बहुत सारा stress और depression और ऐसा moment था life का जो कभी सोचा भी नहीं था. But after my injury, within 15-20 days, I was looking for a good surgeon and a doctor who can solve my this problem because मुझे अपने profession पे वापस आना था as soon as possible, which was my major concern. So फिटनेस एक जर्नी ऐसी है जिसको आप टाइम लैप्स बीच में नहीं डाल सकते. तो मेरा कंसर्न था कि एज आई एम भंगड़ा इंस्ट्रक्टर मैं इस जर्नी को कैसे कंटिन्यू रखूँगी. सो एक वैसे सर्जन की ज़रूरत मुझे थी एंड मैंने उसके लिए बहुत रिसर्च किया. मेरी रिसर्च ख़त्म हुई डॉक्टर मन्नू बोरा पे. मैंने उनकी काफ़ी प्रोफाइल स्टडी की, उनका यूट्यूब देखा और उनके इंटरव्यूज़ चेक किए और उनके जो पेशेंट्स थे उनसे फीडबैक भी लिया, विच वॉज़ रियली वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर मी. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विजिटेड हिज सेंटर. मेरी सर्जरी हुई आफ्टर अ मंथ, आफ्टर प्रॉपर मेडिकेशन एंड एवरीथिंग. 13th of August was my surgery date. And he promised me कि 3 months में I will be back to my floor, which was successful. And within after surgery वाला जो मेरा period था, 21 days were not that वाले painful because I had a painless surgery. मेरी surgery में मुझे कोई pain नहीं था. This is a very genuine feedback I want to convey कि मेरी surgery के within 24 hours I was not feeling any pain, and after that also I was fit. I went home, खुद अपने पैरों पर चलकर मैं घर गई थी, although with the brace. ये जो 3 months की journey रही है, which requires lot of patience, जो कि मुझ में बिल्कुल भी नहीं था, but his team was really very helpful. Proper follow-ups were there from his side, जो कि बहुत अच्छा feel कराते हैं patient को कि सर्जरी के बाद भी वो आपका ध्यान रख रहे हैं. एंड 21 days वर वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट इन माई लाइफ बिकॉज टोटल कंप्लीट बेड रेस्ट था एंड माई स्टिचेस वर ऑल्सो रिमूव्ड आफ्टर 21 days. आफ्टर दैट मेरे फिजियो सेशन स्टार्ट हुए थे विच वर रियली वेरी पेनफुल. उसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा पेनफुल था नी बेंडिंग. आई यूज़ टू क्राई, बट वो सब आफ्टर 40-45 days बेटर होता गया. And there were follow-up sessions with doctor himself also. He was assessing my every movement. And for physiotherapy sessions, I was given Hirdesh sir. He used to assess my movements. He used to check my flexibility, my range of motions, and my all the knee movements correctively through online sessions also. I had 2 online sessions, and I went visible to him also at his center. These things were very helpful to me, but from my side I would like to convey that surgery is very important in someone's life and definitely a very keen source of thing जो कि एक की ज़िंदगी जुड़ी होती है सर्जरी के साथ. एक ऐसी टीम और एक ऐसी डॉक्टर का मिलना इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज वही आपकी आगे की जर्नी को गो थ्रू करता है कि हाउ स्मूथ इज़ दैट जर्नी गोइंग टू बी. Dr. Manu Bora was a miracle for me. I found him. I am thankful to all the clients who has given feedback to me for my surgery, and I opted that doctor. That was the very best decision of my life that I opted him. And I am feeling very good. I am back to my classes, my events. Frankly speaking, within 40-50 days, I was able to dance. I was able to do all my regular activities, but still I was taking precautions of 3 months as it was advised by him not to stress my ACL. 3 महीने के पहले ही मैं रिकवरी रेट अपना बहुत बेटर देख पाई हूँ, which was possible because of regular physiotherapy sessions and my own gym strengthening and knee strengthening and gym training. He was assessing my every movement, which helped me out, and exact 90 days I was able to give my full energetic sessions जो मैं पहले देती थी before surgery, and he promised and he delivered. That is all I want to say about him. So I would recommend for sports injury Dr. Manu Bora and his very, very helpful team for future assessment and everything. Thank you so much.